Excel 2024 Advanced Certification, Macros and VBA Automation for Efficiency. Excel 2024 Advanced Certification, which focuses on macros and VBA automation for unparalleled efficiency in data analysis and manipulation. Excel 2024 Advanced Certification, what to expect. The Excel 2024 Advanced Certification takes your Excel skills to new heights by focusing on macros and VBA automation. These advanced techniques allow you to automate repetitive tasks, streamline data analysis, and increase productivity. It helps organizations create optimal value from IT by maintaining a balance between realizing benefits and optimizing risk levels and resource use. Mastering Excel Macros. Excel macros are sequences of commands and actions that can be recorded and then executed with the click of a button. With macros, you can automate common tasks, such as formatting data, creating charts, and generating reports. Unlocking the power of VBA automation. Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, is a programming language that allows you to create powerful automation scripts within Excel. Excel 2024 Advanced Certification, why it matters. The Excel 2024 Advanced Certification allows you to stay ahead of the curve and become a true Excel expert. Excel Training for the Future. The Excel 2024 Advanced Certification is designed to equip you with the skills you need to excel in today's data-driven world. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Excel 2024 Advanced Certification is your ticket to success in the world of Microsoft Excel. By mastering macros and VBA automation, you can become a true Excel specialist, increase your efficiency, and take your career to new heights.